Good evening, students. We have discussed the sum. Write the following in set builder form. This is Roman letter 1. Here both sides are open interval. That's why we have to write the set builder form x such that x belongs to R, comma minus 3 less than x less than 0, because both sides are open interval. That's why we have to write less than only. Okay, right. And number 2, here both sides are closed interval, so that's why we have to write x such that x belongs to R, comma 6 less than x less than 12. Here closed interval, that's why we have to write less than or equal to. Okay, right. And Roman letter 3, here one side open interval and one side closed interval. X such that x belongs to R, comma here one is open interval, so 6 less than x and less than or equal to 12. Right. So one side open interval, one side closed interval. And number 4 was here one side left side closed interval and right side open interval. So that's why we have to write x such that x belongs to R, comma minus 23 less than or equal to x less than 5. Okay. So this is the set builder form. Next, question number 9. What universal set would you propose for each of the following? Number 1, the set of right triangles, and number 2, the set of isosceles triangle. This is the set of right triangles. This is the isosceles triangle. Both set has the universal set. The universal set name set of all triangles. So let us consider the universal set U. This is U, and you can write U here, and take the set of all or triangle, and number 1 is right triangle only, and number 2 isosceles triangle. This is the isosceles triangle, this is the right triangle. So both triangles having the same big universal set, all triangles, set of all triangles. Answer: U has the set of all triangles. Okay, this is the set U. U is the set of all triangle. We have a right triangle and isosceles triangle in U. Okay, right. Refer the sum. Question number 9. Given set A equal to 1, 3, 5, set B equal to 2, 4, 6, and set C is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We have to find these are the universal set of the subset A, B, C. We want to find it. Now, question number 1. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each and every number should contain set A, B and C, any one set having these elements. Okay, or other sets. So here first 0 is there, and 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is here, and 4 is here, and 5 is here, 6 is here. But here 8 in the set C having 8, but here 8 not in the set. So that's why it is not a universal set, because not universal set. It is not universal set because 8 not belongs to this set. 8 not belongs to, let us give the name A equal to, suppose we give the name A equal to, or here A, B, C is here, so that's why we give the name D equal to. 8 not belongs to D. Okay, and this is pi. Pi is an empty set, so it is not a universal set of anything. Here A, B, C having some elements, but pi is a empty set. Pi is an empty set, so it is not universal set. It is an empty set. It is not universal set because it is an empty set. It is an empty set, and this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 is here. Another number is not here, but the universal set having more number with the elements of subsets. Okay, so we have a subsets here, but the universal set having more number including the subset elements. Okay, so this is the universal set of A, B, C. So it is an universal set. It is a universal set of the subset A, B, C. And number 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no 7. 0 is not here. C having 0, but the universal set not in 0. That's why it is not a universal set. So it is not a universal set because 0 not belongs to, we give the name E equal to, 0 not belongs to E. So this is not an universal set. Okay, refer the sum. Next, Venn diagram. It is discovered by John Venn 1834 and 1883. We have more relationship. That relationship must be represented as a diagram. That diagram find out by John Venn. That's why it is denoted as Venn diagram. This is the universal set U. It contains some relationship. Some relations for here the number system R, set of all real numbers. We have a number in A. This is considered as A. We have a number in A 1, 2, 3, and we have a number 2 or 4, 5, 6. Any two sets we are connected in the diagram. This is A and this is B. Here the set of all real numbers A and B. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3 the elements are there, and B having 4, 5, 6. So we have to represent this relationship by a diagram. So this is called a Venn diagram. Okay, right. And operation of sets. The operation of sets are union, intersection, and the difference of set. Okay. First of all, we have to find union. If two sets A and B we have connect these two sets by the symbol union. This can be written as A union B. This A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. If an element having in A or B, so the union of A union B is equal to that element. Okay, this is the definition of union. Suppose we have to find the example. This is A 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 4, 5, 6. Now A union B equal to, first of all, A containing these elements 1, 2, 3. We have to write 1, 2, 3. And B containing 4, 5, 6. So let us write the A union B, both elements in A and elements in B. But the common elements taken only once. So don't taken twice. The common elements, suppose 3 is here. So if we want to find A union B, these common elements taken only once. Okay, so this is the example of union. And you want to know the intersection. Suppose A and B having two sets, A intersection B. The intersection of two sets can be written as the symbol intersection. So this is A intersection B. The A intersection B elements X such that X belongs to A here. A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. If suppose we want to write the intersection, both set having the common element, X belongs to A and X belongs to B, both set having the common element, we can write A intersection B. This is X, here X. So in this example, A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. A intersection B is equal to here 1, 2, 3, here 3, 4, 5, 6. Both sides having the common element 3. That's why we can write here 3. This is known as A intersection B. This is the example of intersection. Okay, and we want to know the difference. The difference of two sets A and B can be written as the symbol A minus B. This definition, A minus B is equal to X such that A belongs to B but X belongs to B but X belongs to A and X not belongs to B. The next definition, difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B can be written as A minus B, which is equal to X such that X belongs to A but x not belongs to B. This is the definition of A minus B. We have an example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. The A minus B set is, how to find A minus B? Here we have the elements in A but not belongs to B. So therefore we have a short technique. In 3, 4, 5, 6 are in the set of B, but A having 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to find A minus B. Cancel these elements contained in B. If suppose the B elements are in A, we want to remove it. Okay, right. So here 3 is in B, so we have to remove 3 here, and 4 is here, so we want to remove 4 and write the remaining elements in A only. Don't write B. After cancellation of elements in B, write the A elements. A elements are 1, 2. These two elements having A minus B. So this is the difference of two sets. Okay, right. Next, properties of union. We have property number 1, commutative property. A union B is equal to B union A. This is the commutative property. Commutative property. And number 2, associative property. A union B union C, which is equal to A union B union C. And number 3, this is associative property. And number 3, law of identity or identity property. The set A union phi, which is equal to A. And number 4, A union A equal to A. This is idempotent property. This is identity property. This is identity and this is idempotent. And number 5, universal property. Union A, which is equal to U. This is the universal set U union A. The answer is the universal set. Okay, so this is the universal property. So these are the properties of union. The next topic, properties of intersection. We have intersection property. First one, commutative property. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. This is the commutative property. Commutative property. And number 2, A intersection pi is equal to A intersection pi. is equal to pi, because both having common elements in pi only, because it is an empty set. So the answer will be empty set. And number 3, A intersection A equal to A. This is idempotent. And number 3, U, the universal property, the universal set U intersection A, which is equal to, in both set having the common element only in A. So this is the answer A. Here universal set, here the set A. Universal set having all elements in A, and the intersection of U intersection A is equal to A. And number 4, distributive property, A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. This is the distributive property. Okay, right. Number 5, associative property, A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. This is the associative property, right. The next is some example 12. Let A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12. What is A union B? Page number 14, example 12. You have to find A union B, which is equal to, what is the elements, what are the elements in A? 2, 4, 6, 8. And what are the elements in B? Here 6, 8, 10, 12. But already 6 and 8 we write, and 10, 12 is remaining, 10, 12. So this is A union B. And example 13, this is A and this is B, so that A union B equal to A. Suppose A is a subset of B is a subset of A, or A is a subset of B. Here AEIOU, AIU. In this sum, B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. Therefore, we want to write A union B is equal to, the elements of A are AEIOU. AEIOU. Here AIU. Already AIU is there. AIU. So the common elements taken only once in A union B. This set consider as AEIOU. This is as A. Therefore, which is equal to A. Hence, proved. Because B is a subset of A, the answer of A union B is equal to the superset is A. Refer the sum. Now example 15. Consider the set A and B of example 12. Already seen example 12. The set A is 2, 4, 6, 8 in example 12 sum, and B having 6, 8, 10, 12. We want to find A intersection B. The set A intersection B is common element both A and B. The common element of both A and B is here 6 and 8. Here 6 and 8. So the answer is 6, 8. This is A intersection B. Okay. This is example 15. And example 17. This is the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and B 2, 3, 5, 7. find A intersection B and hence so that A intersection B equal to B. First of all, we have to find A intersection B. This is A and this is B. So the A intersection B is equal to the common elements in A and B. So what is the common element here? 2, 3, 5, 7 is in B. So 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. This is the common element. This is A intersection B. This A intersection B considered as B. Therefore, which is equal to the set B. A intersection B equal to B. Suppose since B is a subset of A. If B is a subset of A, the intersection value is the subset only. Right? So, this is A intersection B equal to B. And homework, we have homework and recap test. Example 14 and example 16. So, everybody should write the sum and send it to my WhatsApp number immediately within 7 o'clock. So, this is the homework and we are consider the recap test. Suppose they are not sent to my WhatsApp number, they are considered as an absent, today absent in the recap test. Okay, thank you all.